Hello lovely friends, thank you so much for being here today. I've got a whimsical copper palette for you today. I've got some functional art and I'm using a split cup and another little secret tool that you'll see as the video goes along. So I've got 3 coasters and the bases that I've used are very slightly different in each one. This was a new colour palette, so I was using orange and gold mixed together. Just a tiny bit of orange, and this came out so beautifully. It's such a glimmer and a very unusual base. I went on to use this for another painting that I'm bringing out next time. But I just want to leave you with these 3 coasters and all the different paints that I put into the split cup after I've explained a few things. So the split cup, for those that don't know, is a way of dispersing the paint in different chambers. This cup has got 4 chambers and I'm just using whichever colours that I like, and all of the colours will be listed in the description. I've got quite a simple palette today and I'm just using whatever intuitively I feel that I want to add on top of this. I ended up starting off thinking it looked like chocolate orange, but then some of the copper tones came through on each of the coasters and it just seemed quite a natural thing just to go with the copper theme. I love copper, don't you, and how it radiates and how it just shimmers and brings out all the other colours, and copper and gold together. Such a gorgeous mix. I can't stop thinking about food when I look at these, but I'd be really interested to know whether you see chocolate orange or coffee or mocha or caramel in any of them. Or whether you see, I saw burnt caramel in one of them. But as we go along, I'm just showing you really simply and how easy it is to make these coasters to use at home. So now I've spread the paint all around the coasters. I'm now pouring really gently, only a tiny amount of paint, because with coasters it's only a 4x4 inch, the average size, and so you just don't want to overload it with too much paint. So as I was pouring this, I was thinking, oh, look at that beautiful brown and gold coming out. I didn't know what pattern it's going to create, so looking at the pattern that was forming already, I was thinking, I know, I'm going to get my little secret tool out, something I haven't used before, but so it's the first time that I'm using this tool, and it's really, really exciting because the patterns that it makes just makes it so swirly and whimsical. So just grabbing it now after getting rid of all the air bubbles and making sure that it's ready. So here it is, the exciting tool for today. It's a beaded Christmas decoration that I broke a bit off at Christmas time thinking I'd use it, and this is months later and I'm now using it. Look at that beautiful pattern. I had no idea how it's going to turn out, and I know already that I'm going to be changing this once I've finished the other 2, but I wanted to see how it settled. And there's quite a lot of paint that came off when I glided it through the paint. Did you notice that? So just getting rid of this little bit in the paint there, and another little bit there. So just enjoy the ride as you watch the other coasters being created, and I'll come back towards the end when I actually use the bead to do different patterns in all 3. So I hope you enjoy the music. Hope you're having a lovely day. Thank you for being here, and I shall see you towards the end for the dried results.
Just checking in, see how your world's spinning. I've learned to call it quits. My blood speaks no matter talking to myself for weeks. Even offered to pay for my therapy. And it's felt like a two-way tie, trying to win, but I'd rather draw the line. You tried to call her line. I saw her say I'm busy when I'm really not. I set a reminder too, but things just happen, and it sounds like a good excuse. I've been talking to myself for weeks. Even offered to pay for my therapy. And it's felt like a two-way tie, trying to win, but I'd rather draw the line. Draw real good now, see where it sticks. When it hurts too bad, do you let it sit? Do you let it sit? Do you let it sit? I've been talking to myself for weeks. You even offered to pay for my therapy. And it's felt like a two-way tie, trying to win. Oh, we're never gonna win. Oh, we're never gonna win when we're stuck in our own pride. Would you believe it? Already out of time. It's taking way too long. It's always on my mind. I couldn't see it. It was right in front of my eyes. I've taken way too long. I'm running out of time. If there was an option, would I let you in? Why'd it have to end before it could begin? If there was a moment, would you admit? I wish that I could tell you. I wish that I could run into your arms, but no one ever tells you. Everything's enough till it gets hard. Oh, 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 oh. If there's a reason be over? Or would you still stay? Would I be a fool? I think everything twice. But don't worry, baby, it'll be worth the fight. 'Cause we'll be alright. We'll be alright. If love is to lose it, then I'm in last place. And I keep on wishing this wasn't our two-faced.
So I'm just finishing up now with my 3 coasters, and I'm just going to show you the wet results and the dry results. I wasn't quite finished with this one, and I looked at the combination of the patterns on the others, and I thought I'll use the bead in a diagonal way, just bringing the pattern across. So it's very slightly different from the other 2, but it has a similar sort of whimsical pattern. That's me done now. I've got all 3 done. Look at the colours there. At one point I thought this looked like chocolate orange, then the other one was coffee mocha colour, and the other one was sort of a burnt caramel colour. But I'll leave it to you, see what you think. When I put all 3 together, I just thought there was a beautiful whimsical look in all 3, and it was a very copper dominant pour, and they all go together because all the different colours are used in each of the different coasters, but different amounts of each colour. So I'd be so interested to know how you feel about these coasters and how you like the colour palette. I'm just bringing you in now for a bit of a close-up. Can you see all 3 there? So I just want to say thank you so much for being here today. It's been lovely sharing these results with you, and I love doing functional art. I've been doing it for a little while now. I've got another set in mind that I'd like to do. So what do you think about the colours? What do you see? What are you creating at the moment? I love hearing what you're creating, and I just want to say thank you for being here. It means the world, and I'm so appreciative of every single one of you watching. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. I'd love to catch up with what you're doing as well, so keep me posted. Let me know any requests as well. Have a great day now, whatever you do. Take care, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye.